funniest thing happened last week. So we had to take the train, right? And we're walking the train. Wait. So we have like 5 minutes or like 2 minutes to get there, and it's across the street. So we don't have tickets, so we go to the kiosk. And at first, Jeremiah's like, all right, we have to buy them all together so we can make the train. But then Jonathan's like, he's like, no, I don't want to exchange money and all that stuff. So we cancel that transaction. We go to just buy the tickets. But then the train's like really close. So we're like, no, let's buy them all at the same time, and we'll work out the money. So we are like, the train pulls in, and we don't even have the tickets yet. The tickets are still printing. We're like freaking out. The tickets print. We grab them, we run up the steps, we jump onto the train, and it doesn't leave for like 4 minutes. I guess you had to be there.